Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys some solution if you never know before, maybe or perhaps that your Google Play drain your battery. So here are some steps you have to follow to make optimize your phone so the Play Store will not drain your uh, battery. Okay, let's get it on. First of all, of course, you have to open your Play Store and then go to the profile icon on the upper here, and then go to settings here, and then on the general here, make sure you use the dark theme, which is this very small consumption of energy or battery. Dark is very good. So like mine, I'm using dark theme of Google Play. So make sure you use the dark theme, it will reduce your consumption of battery. And then the next one, make sure you turn off this app install optimization, which is you will not anymore to send data to Google. So which is of course your work of your phone would be reduced. So hence your battery would be the battery consumption would be reduced as well. The next steps you have to do, you open this network preferences, you turn off the auto update. So here the auto update, my setting is auto update apps over Wi-Fi only. You could tap on this don't update auto apps, which is it reduce the work of your phone, of your Play Store. And then that's it. How and the last thing I think I'm sorry, the last thing, you make sure you pause these autoplay videos, which is really drain your battery power. So don't play auto videos, and then click OK. So that's it, how to optimize your Google Play Store, hence your battery, your phone's battery will be last longer or battery saver. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.